There are moments on the football pitch that touch everyone's heart, and one such incident took place moments before a Major League Soccer match between New York Red Bulls and Inter Miami caught everyone's attention. New York Red Bulls footballers decided to give their coats to the young coats who accompanied the players amid incessant rain. Forward, Dante Van Zer started the trend by giving his jacket to one mascot out of selflessness, setting off a domino effect. The other players in the New York lineup followed suit.